PNP president launches internal probe into party campaign finance scandal and tells TVJ News why in an exclusive interview. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, some civil society groups want the PNP to call in the police.
PNP Treasurer Norman Horn is standing by the financial report.
PNP Vice President Angela Brown-Burke criticizes her husband, the PNP's General Secretary, over comments he made on the scandal.
Reprieve for Penwood High students as CSEC accepts their SBAs.
And in the Business Day, we'll tell you how much will be added to petrol prices tomorrow.
There's also the health report, the Business Day, and sports in this newscast as well as primetime weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
The Education Minister says principals should look out for tattoos when they decide to hire teachers. Should people be hired as teachers if they have tattoos?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.